Hello friends, today I am going to announce a big thing here. Like on the request and demand of many students, we are bringing CSAT online CSAT guidance program for you guys, right? So here you guys can directly interact with me in a one-to-one session, right? So this will be online session. So we will have one-to-one session with each student, right? And where I will personally resolve all your queries related to CSAT exam. So here I will guide you like which book you should read, right? How you should approach the exam, what test series you should opt, right? So all the queries related to CSAT exam that we will talk about and we will discuss, right? So the session will be like this. We will have an online session through Google Meet, right? So through Google Meet we will have one-to-one session. So in this I will also tell you like what should be your daily routine for CSAT exam, your weekly plan, right? And how you should solve questions in exam, right? So I will also discuss like how should be your routine in exam, right? And other thing like how you can manage the pressure and anxiety in the exam, how we can smartly solve the question in exam through options, through elimination technique, right? So we will discuss all this. So there are three areas in CSAT. So math, reasoning, right, and RC, right? So I will discuss and I will guide you about all these three areas. How to prepare for math, for reasoning and for RC, right? So this is information about me, about Kabir sir, right? And this is a QR code which you can scan and access all the free videos of provided by our institute, right? So through this QR code you can get all the free videos. So for this, if you want to interact with me in a one-to-one session, so first of all you need to have a registration. So for that registration you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp on this number or you can mail us on this email ID and book your slot. Once your slot will be booked, you will be allotted the timings, and on that particular day and particular time you will have a session with me where I will resolve all your queries related to CSAT exam, right? So take a maximum benefit of this opportunity and ensure that you clear your CSAT exam and your attempt did not go waste due to CSAT, right? So all the best and we will meet you in an online one-to-one session, right?